Your children have to be openly to discuss their issues with you as their parent. Women, we are very harsh to our children. We don't talk to them in a nice way. Our children have got a fear to tell us what's going on in their life. Our children are being bullied at school with other kids. Our children are being abused by other people outside there, but they have got a fear to come to us as their parents to discuss with them what's going on in their life. It's very important to sit with them and to discuss and to ask them what's going on one by one. It's better to be openly to your kids than to be harsh to your kids every time. Even every time you arrive at home, your kids are watching TV, they can stand up and going back to their rooms. They know that that person now is arrived. They have got a fear. Guys, be open to your kids. When you arrive at home, your kids have to be happy that our mother is around. But when you are not around, you say you want to visit, your kids can be happy that our mother now is not around. So you have to be open to your kids. Don't be harsh every time. You know that women, the way we are doing, that's why our kids have got a fear to discuss their problems with us.